In the heart of Wisdoria, where the moonbeams often danced on silver rivers, there lived a gentle girl named Luna. She had long hair the colour of twilight and eyes that shimmered like the first evening star. Luna wasn't the strongest or the fastest child, but everyone who met her noticed one special thing. Her heart was full of kindness. One breezy morning, Luna wandered into the Meadow of Murmurs, a place where the grass whispered secrets of the world. The flowers usually swayed happily, but today the meadow seemed troubled. The daisies drooped, the sunflowers sighed, and the wind carried a faint sound of crying. "Why is everyone so sad?" Luna asked softly. Just then, a small rabbit hopped out from behind a bush, tears shining in his eyes. "My name is Bramble," he sniffled. "The bridge of bonds has broken, and now the forest animals can't reach the river to drink. Everyone is thirsty and afraid." Luna's heart ached. "Then we must help." Bramble looked down. "But I'm too small, and everyone is too worried to try." Luna bent down, gently patting his paw. "Even the smallest kindness can grow into something powerful. Let's not give up." Together they walked to the river's edge. There they found a group of animals arguing. The fox blamed the beavers, the deer blamed the wind, and no one wanted to work together. Luna stepped forward. "Please, friends, fighting won't mend the bridge, but kindness will." The animals scoffed. "Kindness? What good will that do?" Luna thought for a moment, then took off her blue ribbon and tied it around a shaky plank of the bridge. "This ribbon is small, but it shows I care. If we each give a little kindness piece by piece, we can make it strong again." Moved by her gentle spirit, Bramble the rabbit fetched twigs. The beavers carried branches. The deer steadied the posts with their antlers. Even the fox, with a huff, began weaving vines for support. As they worked, the river itself began to glow, as though the waters approved. By the time the sun began to set, the bridge of bonds stood tall once more, stronger than before. The animals cheered, but Luna only smiled. "See? When kindness leads the way, even the hardest tasks become lighter." That night, as Luna rested beneath the stars, a glowing moth landed on her hand. It whispered, "Kindness is the magic that binds hearts. Never forget the light you carry." From then on, wherever Luna went, kindness seemed to follow. Flowers bloomed brighter near her, quarrels softened around her, and even the stars seemed to twinkle with extra warmth. And so the children of Wisdoria who heard Luna's story learned this truth: kindness doesn't need to be big. Even the smallest act can build bridges and heal hearts. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.